This is Michigan Constitutional Crusader out with FACTO Media Group, and we have 2 body cam videos for you today.
So my postmaster's not happy that I called. She's already called district. They're laughing. They think it's all fun and games to walk around. Hey, how are you?
Yeah.
To just walk around and film us. We are federal government employees, and it makes us nervous when someone's walking in the lobby and filming and walking around and filming and telling me that I need to learn the law and that they pay my wages and that they pay for everything, and that it's just irritating. And it feels a little bit threatening, but my boss wants to diffuse the situation. She said that I'm giving them exactly what they want by calling you guys, but I just don't like it.
Okay. Have they said anything or done anything?
They just said that I need to learn, that I told them that this is a federal building, that they really shouldn't be recording anything.
We can come over here. We're conducting an investigation, so please stay right there, okay? We're gonna move away from you. Okay.
So is
See, that's what you're getting when you try to talk to them about that. So I just walked away.
okay? So
We have it too, also recorded for us.
So you have to tell you what the law is. Since you don't understand it.
I don't understand anything. But I feel threatened.
what's the purpose of the videotaping? Just general videotaping?
My boss is already called district, and they said that they are allowed. Right. They're just, it's their right.
Okay. Perfect. So we'll just.
He told me I don't know what I'm talking about. When I told him taxpayers don't pay for. He doesn't.
Yeah.
The postal service doesn't.
No, the post office receives no taxpayer money directly.
Take any tax samples, and he told me I didn't know what I was talking about. Anything else from me?
Nope.
If you do, you know how to get hold of me.
So you're gonna be inside?
Yes.
Perfect.
I'll come in and talk to you.
Thank you.
Did you want to call the?
Any questions for us? We're all done.
Yep. Absolutely.
We're not bad people.
No, I just curious on why you're at.
No, but we're all about it, man. So we just find out what's going on, and then we're all cool with it.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, that's why I was just asking if you're doing just a documentary or just a.
Do you mind explaining it to us? You
Like
don't
what?
have to.
We're just exercising our First Amendment rights.
Okay, that's all we know.
We're all good about that, man.
Public, you know, and they try to tell us we can't record inside, which that's incorrect too. Because it's posted right on the wall. They're posted 7. The rules and regulations that govern the post office. It says right in there for photographs and video that we can do this. Because we're members of the press. So we're not just doing this to keep it for ourselves. We're going to disseminate the information to the public. And that's what makes us press.
Okay.
So,
We're just curious. We gotta know because I'm sure this might not be
We're
the
just
only
making
phone
sure
call
that-
that you get. You guys,
You guys know, you know where we're at. We're just making sure everybody's cool. We're all good.
oh, you're a lieutenant.
Yeah.
Right on.
all right. I'm just
Well,
gonna-
gentlemen,
All right, man. You guys
Thank
have
you
a
so much.
Yep.
Appreciate
your service for sure.
You guys have a good day.
Yep.
Sure.
take care.
All right.
Thank you. Do you have a card or anything?
Do I have a card?
Yeah, it's got no. Okay. I just get all your information. Just
Sure.
So.
You want my driver's license?
Yeah.
It's in the building.
Yeah, let's go. We'll go in the back where they can't.
Yeah. Well, you don't know. They think they own the building.
There's a new one that came out, but it.
Oh, don't
It's not
look.
anything about.
Don't look, okay?
Oh yeah. Last thing I need is another code or password.
Yeah. Hey Dee, I made a new friend today. Did you? Right out in the parking lot.
Central 4019, being out to Wexford with 2 starting mileage 22163.
Hello, gentlemen. How you doing?
They're laughing. They think it's all fun and games to walk
Hello.
around. Hey, how are you?
Good.
To just walk around and film us. We are federal government employees, and it makes us nervous when someone's walking in the lobby and filming and walking around and filming and telling me that I need to learn the law and that they pay my wages and that they pay for everything and that it's just very clear. And it feels a little bit threatening, but my boss wants to diffuse the situation. She said that I'm giving them exactly what they want by calling you guys, but I just don't like it.
Has it said anything or done anything?
They just said that I need to learn. Then I told them that it's the federal building that they
We can come over here. We're conducting an investigation, so please stay right there, okay? We're gonna move away from you.
US versus click.
Okay.
So is
See, that's what you're getting when you try to talk to them. So I just walked away and called you. So
We have it too also recorded for.
So
Okay.
You don't understand it.
I don't understand anything,
No.
but I feel threatened.
what's the purpose of the videotaping? Just general videotaping?
My boss has already called district, and they said that they
So
are
there's no
allowed-
threatening behavior or
Right.
nothing? Okay.
They're just. It's nerve-wracking.
All right.
Bill.
Okay. But
So
perfect. So we'll just.
he told me I don't know what I'm talking about. When I told him taxpayers don't pay for.
Yeah, it's not worth
He
getting
doesn't.
into.
The postal service doesn't
conversation.
take any tax dollars, and he told me I didn't know what I was talking about.
Perfect.
So,
1404 is 10A.
anything else from me?
Nope.
If you do, you know how to get a hold of me.
So you're gonna be inside.
Yes.
Perfect.
I'll come in. I'll come in and talk to you.
Thank you.
We're
You
good.
want to call?
Any questions for us? We're all done with our talking. 3902. Here, let me make it easier for you. Here you go, sir.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
We're not bad people.
I never said you were.
No, but we're all about it, man.
Right.
We find out what's going on, and then we're all cool with it.
Yeah, that's all he's asking if you're doing.
Yeah, we tried to explain it to her, but she didn't want to.
Do you mind explaining to us? You don't have to if you don't want to.
Exercising our First Amendment rights.
Okay.
Sounds good. We're all good about that, man.
Public, you know, and they try to tell us we can't record inside, which that's incorrect too. 'Cause it's posted right on the wall. They're poster 7, the rules and regulations that govern the post office. It says right in there for photographs and video that we can do this because we're members of the press. So we're not just doing this to keep it for ourselves. We're going to disseminate the information to the public, and that's what makes us press.
Good stuff.
You gotta know because I'm sure this might not be.
We're just making
phone
sure
call,
that
right?
you guys know. You know where we're at. We're just making sure everybody's cool. And we're all good.
Oh, you're a lieutenant.
Yeah.
Right on.
All right.
Well, gentlemen,
All right, man. You guys have
Bill Robbins'
Yep.
name.
Appreciate your service for sure.
You guys stay safe out
Yep.
there.
Take care.
All right.
We're just gonna have a conversation with them and tell them we're out of here.
All right. Right on the wall
all good. I'll take any bit of education.
It says photographs. Where's it at?
Somewhere.
It's on here somewhere.
I'm gonna take a picture of it
It's
so I can blow it up.
faded. There it is, right there. Photographs for news and advertising. Perfect. And the funny part about that is, a lot of people misconstrue the wording of that because they don't recognize the fact that there's commas in there. And so the commas dictate how the sentence is to be thought of. So like it says, well, this is an old one, so it's kind of worded a little bit differently. But like for auditoriums, we would have to have permission because that's not normally a public area. Whereas the lobbies, foyers, and hallways are a public area.
And this is all, in your opinion, public.
Correct.
Anything back there's not.
And we've even had, well, other people with cameras have had postal inspectors 100% agree that this is legal. So.
I'm recording too, so man, we're
All
all
right.
good. All right. We're gonna get out of here.
Yep.
Have a good one.
That lady right there is the one that called, I believe.
You know, we had conversation, so. The one I think called is the other one.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know.
All right.
But, yeah, we'll get out of here.
Cool. What do you mind asking? What do you have a post or something that you?
Oh yeah, it'll be on YouTube.
Oh, cool.
Oh look, I'm getting a can
Yeah,
back.
she's right here.
Yeah, can you show me your ID so I know who you are?
Oh sure.
Are you a riot?
Hilarious.
How do you deal with people like this? Thank you, officer.
We have a Fourth Amendment right to where he can't get our ID unless we do something illegal. What in the hell makes you think you can get our ID?
You're filming.
And you're in public. I don't need it.
Yes.
No, I don't.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Okay. I'll leave you with that.
Have a good one, man.
Take care. Not. Do you know who they are?
No, I don't have a clue.
They're just fishing. That's all.
I'm gonna go for a walk.
I just ignore them.
No, because if I'm up here and I don't have my face spread out everywhere because my ex-husband was abusive and he finds out where I'm working, that's endangerment by being my friends.
What does your postal inspector say?
You're allowed to film.
Yeah. No different to me. It's frustrating, but just don't give them what.
That's why I just want to know
Yeah.
who they are, so if he finds out where I'm at.
They apparently have a YouTube page, so it shouldn't be too hard to figure out.
Oh, smart thinking.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
All right, take care. Where'd my guy go? I don't know. I guess we're good. Did Rich go that way? Okay. So that's a different story when you get inside the structure.
Well, he was
Oh,
inside,
in the open to the public, but
but
once
he was filming the background, and he's not allowed to do that.
I don't know that. You mean background where?
I'll show you.
Anything we can see from public, we can
Yeah,
record.
they know what they're doing. They do this on purpose. Did you guys make him angry or something?
No, I was out there working, and they were standing there for like 40 minutes. No, like 20 minutes filming.
In the best way to handle them folks is just ignore them.
I found them situation.
I have
And they were
the
recording
tracking
him,
number.
and everything came in
Hi.
through.
Hello.
So,
And
I'm
then
the
I was
postmaster.
just explaining.
Oh,
Thank
Bill
you
Robbins,
so
how you
much
doing?
for responding. We don't really know the full rules, but it was really making the customers really uncomfortable to be on camera, and my carrier's really uncomfortable.
From what we could see on our video, the customers could give a damn less.
My clerks.
Just the best thing to deal with them is just kind of be cooperative and just let them, like, they were good with us.
yeah, they were good with us.
Yeah.
They're good with you guys.
Because they know exactly the rules. And
Yeah.
what they want is for you to do something.
They want the
Yeah.
reaction.
Yep.
Yep.
That's what I explained to her.
And you don't
I
even...
explained it to
And,
them.
and that took all you were worth to not say something.
I did really good. I just walked away.
That's the best thing to do.
Because I really don't, yes.
I didn't
Because this is
Well, she
restricted for
couldn't.
sure.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
There's no doubt back
They
there.
can't come back here at all.
You were
videotaping me. Yeah.
That's fine.
I tried to get his ID, but he
Get it
turned.
right back.
As long as, like I was explaining to her, if you have private information that goes beyond that you're not supposed to see, in other words, obviously if you can look through the window and I can see it, obviously it must not be private. You see where I'm going? But if they're taking their cameras and going and looking on your screens and that kind of stuff, that's a whole different situation. That's a violation of whoever's rights.
Yeah.
They're
I
violating
think it
that
was
way.
for the customers. They didn't really want them to see their mail or their addresses, things like that. And that's why I had a whole
they're-
lobby of people that were really upset.
They're
They're looking.
That's funny, claiming there was a lobby full of people that were all upset when we were at the other side of the lobby when all the people were in there, not bothering anyone.
they're fishing. That's all.
Do we know who they are? I've never seen them before.
They're be easy to find because they
They're,
got a
they're
YouTube.
not parked around here, because I checked for cars.
Yeah, they're gonna walk some other place. This is a game they play. They try to get
So
us
why
wound
don't they,
up.
why don't they have a job? Why aren't they out doing
That is
something
their job.
besides
That's their job.
play games?
a lot of money and
Do something.
Influencers.
When you have,
Some of these
so they
kids-
probably have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, some of
that
these
they
kids
make
are
a lot of
worth
money on.
like millions of dollars.
Oh my.
They call them influencers.
Yeah.
How is that interesting to watch the Postal Service?
Well,
The reaction. This right here, as long as nobody
I'm
interacts.
gonna go dark. I don't.
Yeah.
All right.
We
Not being recorded.